Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of crystal urns. So what you're going to need, you will need some of these Angel Tears pendants. They are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these tulip shaped mini vases, or you can really use any shape that you'd like. And you will need 2 packs of the round Tealight holders. If you cannot find the round Tealight holders, you can use whatever Tealight holders they have in stock, or perhaps use a pair of thrifted Tealight holders, and that will work. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 on epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use additional items, I will have those listed in the description box below as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these crystal urns turn out absolutely beautifully, and they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.